Welcome to the dawn of a new harvest, where the finest bottle gourds are gathered under the golden morning sun to begin their transformation into gourmet treats. Vibrant green gourds roll gently onto specialized soft conveyors, ensuring every piece remains pristine and bruise-free as they enter our state-of-the-art processing facility today. Each gourd is carefully selected for its quality and shape, while representing the peak of agricultural excellence and the starting point of our premium jam-making process. Observe the natural perfection of the fruit, still carrying the freshness of the fields with morning dew clinging to its vibrant and healthy green skin. Advanced robotics work with gentle precision to sort the gourds, ensuring that only those meeting our strict size and quality standards move forward in the line. Our automated sensors analyze every curve and dimension, guaranteeing a uniform product that will cook evenly and present beautifully in its final delicious jam form. Thousands of gourds march in perfect harmony, a testament to the scale and efficiency of modern food technology dedicated to preserving nature's finest seasonal bounty. The journey continues as we head into the heart of the facility, where the gourds undergo a multi-stage cleaning process to ensure absolute purity and safety. Step into the underwater world of our ultrasonic cleaning system, where microscopic bubbles gently scrub away every trace of dust and soil from the fruit's surface. A powerful water vortex creates a gentle but thorough scrubbing action, ensuring that every inch of the gourd is reached by the purifying force of the water. Precision nozzles deliver targeted, high-pressure sprays, hitting the unique curves of the bottle gourd to ensure no particle is left behind in this rigorous sanitization stage. Even the most difficult areas, like the narrow neck of the gourd, are treated with care, ensuring a level of cleanliness that manual washing simply cannot achieve. The fine mist creates a dance of light and water, highlighting the intersection of industrial power and the delicate nature of the organic produce we process. Emerging from their refreshing bath, the gourds are now sparkling clean and ready for the next phase of their transformation into a sweet and crunchy delicacy. Powerful air knives blast away residual moisture in an instant, preparing the surface of the fruit for the precision peeling and cutting that follows very soon. This rapid drying technique is essential for maintaining the integrity of the skin before the mechanical peeling process begins, ensuring a smooth and clean separation. Uniformly dry and impeccably clean, these gourds are a testament to our commitment to hygiene and quality control at every single step of the manufacturing line. Now we move into the preparation zone, where advanced machinery waits to shape these fruits into the beautiful slices that will eventually become our signature jam. Each gourd is securely gripped by a rotating spindle, setting the stage for a peeling process that is both incredibly fast and remarkably efficient to watch. Watch as the sharp blade glides with effortless grace, removing the outer layer in a single, continuous ribbon to reveal the snow-white flesh of the gourd. The green peels are collected for eco-friendly recycling, ensuring that nothing goes to waste in our sustainable approach to modern food production and resource management. The transformation is striking as the rugged green exterior gives way to a smooth, pristine interior that is ready to absorb the sweet flavors of the syrup. A high-speed cutting system then takes over, slicing the gourd into perfectly uniform discs with a level of precision that ensures consistent cooking and texture throughout. For our premium selections, decorative cutters create beautiful shapes, adding a touch of elegance and visual delight to every jar of our bottle gourd jam. The crispness of the fruit is evident in every cut, as the sharp blades pass through the dense flesh without bruising or damaging the delicate cellular structure. The slices fall in a rhythmic cascade, filling the collection trays with uniform pieces that are now prepared for the important process of seed removal and coring. Advanced vacuum technology is utilized to pull the seeds from the core of each slice, leaving behind only the most desirable and tender part of the fruit. Yet this automated seed extraction is fast and incredibly clean, ensuring that the final jam is free from any tough or bitter elements for a smooth experience. Human expertise remains vital, as our inspectors conduct regular checks to verify the precision of the machines and maintain the highest standards of product excellence. With the preparation complete, a sea of white gourd rings moves forward to the thermal treatment zone, where the first stage of cooking will begin shortly. Steam rises as we enter the blanching zone, a critical step where heat is used to soften the fibers and prepare the gourd to absorb the syrup. The slices are gently enveloped in purified steam, a process that locks in the natural color while optimizing the internal structure for the upcoming infusion of sweetness. Precise temperature control is maintained within the chamber, ensuring each slice is heated just enough to become tender without losing its characteristic and pleasing crunch. Yet, as they travel through the heat, the slices begin to transform, becoming more translucent and ready for the rapid cooling process that will preserve their texture. From the heat into the cold, the slices are immediately plunged into an ice bath, a thermal shock that stops the cooking instantly and locks in crispness. This rapid cooling is the secret to the perfect jam texture, preventing the fruit from becoming mushy and ensuring a delightful snap in every single bite. The result is a translucent, firm slice that looks like carved glass, a beautiful foundation for the rich flavors that will soon be added in the kitchen. A high-frequency vibrating tray removes every excess drop of water, ensuring that the infusion syrup will not be diluted during the next critical stage of production. This mechanical drying process is gentle yet thorough, preparing the slices to be fully saturated with the aromatic and sweet blends our chefs have carefully prepared. Ready and waiting, the prepared gourds are moved to the infusion department, where the true culinary art of jam making begins with our secret blend of ingredients. We begin with pure rock sugar, selected for its clean sweetness and ability to create a clear, shimmering syrup that enhances the gourd's natural subtle flavor. Fresh passion fruit juice is added, providing a bright acidity and a tropical aroma that balances the sweetness and gives our jam its unique and signature profile. The golden syrup cascades over the gourd slices, beginning the long process of infusion where the fruit absorbs the flavors deeply into its very cellular heart. Slow, rhythmic stirring ensures an even coat for every piece, allowing the flavors to meld together in a perfect union of fruit and fragrant, sweet syrup. Our advanced vacuum cooking technology allows us to simmer the jam at lower temperatures, preserving the natural nutrients and the delicate aroma of the fresh ingredients. And inside the sealed chamber, the syrup bubbles gently, a low-temperature infusion that draws the moisture out of the gourd while pulling the sweet nectar deep inside. Witness the transformation as time and temperature work together, turning the once white slices into glowing amber jewels that are saturated with incredible flavor and sweetness. The syrup thickens to a perfect consistency, becoming a rich glaze that clings to the fruit, ensuring a burst of flavor in every bite of the jam. The spiral mixer continues its careful dance, maintaining the perfect distribution of fruit and syrup without ever compromising the beautiful shapes we have so carefully cut. As the cooking cycle completes, the released steam carries the intoxicating scent of passion fruit and cooked gourd, filling the room with a truly wonderful aroma. The finished jam slices are breathtaking, glistening with a deep amber hue that promises a complex and satisfying taste experience for anyone who tries them today. Our chefs carefully spread the hot jam onto cooling trays, allowing the temperature to stabilize before the final drying process begins in our sterile cold rooms. The jam trays are moved into our controlled cold drying chamber, where a gentle flow of chilled air will finalize the texture of the bottle gourd jam. Precision is key in the drying phase. As we balance humidity and temperature to achieve a result that is perfectly chewy on the inside and not sticky. A delicate crystallization begins to form on the surface, creating a subtle outer layer that adds a pleasant textural contrast to the soft and chewy interior. Steady air circulation ensures every single piece of jam dries at the same rate, resulting in a consistent quality that our customers have come to expect. The texture is now perfect, firm enough to hold its shape, yet daintily chewy and soft, representing the pinnacle of traditional jam making infused with modern technology. Efficiency meets elegance as the jam is weighed with milligram precision and placed into premium glass jars, ready to be sealed for freshness and long-lasting flavor. Each jar is hermetically sealed and labeled, carrying our brand's promise of quality and the story of the journey from the farm to your family table. From a humble gourd to a gourmet masterpiece, our bottle gourd jam is a celebration of nature, technology, and the timeless art of sustainable agriculture for all.